Hi student, now we will solve review exercise. So look here, first question, solve the following. Okay, so here first question is of addition of money. Look here, 20 rupees 80 paise plus 75 rupees 50 paise. So you have learned how to add the rupees and paise. So we will start from the right side. 0 plus 0, 0. So right here 0. 8 plus 5, 30. 3 carry over 1. So don't forget to put the dot. 1 plus 5, 6. And 2 plus 7, 9. In this way here we add 20 rupees 80 paise and 75 rupees 50 paise. We get here answer 96 rupees 30 paise. Okay. Now we will see second example. Second example is of subtraction. That also you have learned. We have to start from right side. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Now here we cannot subtract 5 from 0. So we have to remove. We borrow 1 from 4. So here remain 3 and 0 become 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Now here put the dot. Now from 3 we cannot subtract 7. So we have to remove. So here we borrow. This 3 become 13. 13 minus 7, 6 and 0 here. So here we subtract 75 rupees from 140 rupees. We get here answer 65 rupees. Okay. Now we will see third example. Here 25 rupees 60 paise. We have to multiply by 6. So we have learned multiplication of money by a whole number. Okay. So first we multiply 0 by 6. So when we multiply 0 by any number, we get answer 0. So right here 0. Then we multiply 6 by 6. 6 6 are 36. So right here 6 and 3 carry. Now we multiply 5 by 6. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 3, 33. So right here 3 and 3 carry. Now multiply 2 by 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3, 15. In this way, here we multiply 25 rupees 60 paise by whole number 6. We get answer 153 rupees 60 paise. Okay. So here I have shown addition of money, subtraction of money and multiplication of money. Okay. Now question number 2. Convert as directed. Here we have to convert 650 paise into rupees. Okay, question again. Convert as directed. We have to convert 650 paise into rupees. So you know that 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Okay, and you have the conversion of paise into rupees. To convert paise into rupees, put the dot from the right 2 digits. So here 2 digits from the right, 1, 2. So here put the dot from the right, 2 places. In this way, here 650 paise converted into 6 rupees 50 paise. Okay, we have to only put the dot from the right of 2 places. In this way, we convert paise into rupees. Next thing, convert 92 rupees 45 paise into paise. So we know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. To convert rupees into paise, we have to multiply number by 100. Okay, so here 92 rupees and 45 paise. So which is given in paise, we have to keep as it is, and only which is given in rupees that we have to convert it into paise. So here 92 multiply by 100 and add 45 paise. 92 multiply by 100, we get here product 9200. And in 9200, we add 45, we get here some 9245. In this way, here we convert 92 rupees 45 paise into 9245 paise. To convert rupees into paise, multiply number by 100. So by multiplying 100, we get paise. Here we convert rupees into paise by multiplying 100. Next, 50 rupees 75 paise, convert it into paise. So here you have learned to convert rupees into paise, we have to multiply by 100. So here we multiply 50.75, we multiply by 100. And you have learned to convert rupees into paise, remove the dot from the number. So here by removing the dot from the number, so 50.75 we get here 5075. Means here we remove the dot. By removing the dot, we can convert it rupees into paise. So here we remove dot which is given from right of the two places. We remove, so we get here 5075. So by multiplying 100 and by removing the dot, we convert 50 rupees 75 paise into 5075 paise. Okay, understood how to convert rupees into paise and paise into rupees. See third example from the exercise. So it is a word problem. Ritu took 50 rupees to school. She spent 27 rupees 50 paise to buy a notebook and a pen. How much money is left with her? Look here. She has a 50 rupees. From that she spent to buy a notebook and pen. So how much money is left with her? So for that we have to subtract 27 rupees 50 paise from 50 rupees. Okay. So see here solution. Here we subtract 50 rupees minus 27 rupees 50 paise. So look here, we will see subtraction. 0 minus 0. 0. Now we cannot subtract 5 from 0. So we have to rerule. But here also 0. So again we have to rerule. So we borrow 5 from 1 from 5. So here remain 4. And this 0 become 10. Again we borrow 1 from 10. So here remain 9. And this 0 become. Now we subtract 5 from 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. And 4 minus 2, 2. So in this way we subtract 27 rupees 50 paise from 50 rupees. We get answer 22 rupees 50 paise. Okay. And what here asks? How much money is left with her? How much money is left with her? So how much money is left with her? 22 rupees 50 paise is left with her. Understood how to find its answer? See next word problem. Sumit spent 45 rupees to buy notebooks, 25 rupees 50 paise to buy pencils, and 75 rupees to buy book. How much money did she spend all together? Look here. She spent 45 rupees to buy notebooks, 25 rupees 50 paise to buy pencil, and 75 rupees to buy books. So total how much money she spent altogether? So in this example we have to add 45 rupees, 75 rupees and 25 rupees 50 paise. Okay. So see here addition of money. Look here. Here we will add 75 rupees, 45 rupees and 25 rupees 50 paise. First we arrange those money, rupees and paise in different column by putting the dot. Now we will start to add from the right to left. 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0. 0 plus 0 plus 5. 5. Here put the dot. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 5 carry over 1. 1 plus 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 1 carry over 14. So here by adding these three money we get here answer 145 rupees 50 paise. Okay, so here they ask how much money did she spend all together. So what is our answer? Thus she spent rupees 145 and 50 paise all together. Okay, she spent 145 rupees 50 paise all together. With what problem? The cost of 1 pen is 50 rupees 50 paise. Find the cost of 6 such pens. Okay, in this example given cost of 1 pen and you have to find out cost of 6 pens. So here to find cost of 6 pens we have to multiply 15 rupees 50 paise by 6. Okay, so look here, cost of 1 penny is 15 rupees 50 paise. So to find cost of 6 pence, multiply 15 rupees 50 paise by 6. So let's hear multiplication. First we multiply 0 by 6. So you learn when you multiply 0 by any number we get product 0. Then multiply 5 by 6. 5 6 are 30. So write here 0 and carry over 3. Now multiply 5 by 6. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 3 carry over 33. So write here 3 and 3 carry. Now multiply 6 by 1. 6 ones are 6 plus 3 carry over 9. Okay. Put the dot from the right of two places. So here we multiply 50 rupees 50 paise by 6. We get answer 93 rupees. Okay. And in this word problem asks cost of 6 pence. So we got here cost of 6 pence is 93 rupees. Understood? How to find cost of 6 pence? By multiplying 15 rupees 50 paise by 6. In this way, we have solved all examples from review exercise. Okay? You also solve this type of example and do practice more.